Hello, today we will guide you through how to change background on Slack video call. To begin, open Slack and head to the channel where you want to start your call. Any channel or direct message works, but for this example, we'll begin from a general channel so others can easily join. Once you're in the conversation, look for the huddles option. Depending on your app layout, you'll see a small headset or waveform icon that says Huddles. Click it to open the Huddles panel. Next, choose Start a Huddle. Slack may prompt you to select where the huddle should live. In that case, use the field provided to enter the channel you want, such as typing "not all," then select the correct conversation for your workspace. This ensures the huddle starts in the right place and that the people you expect can see and join. When you're ready, click Start a Huddle. If you see another Start or Confirmation button, click it again to proceed. It's normal to see this more than once as Slack confirms your selection. Your huddle will open in a small floating window or in the sidebar. Look for the video controls. You'll find a camera icon with a small arrow or drop-down next to it. Click that video drop-down to reveal additional options. From there, select View Background. This opens the background panel where you can preview and change what appears behind you during the video call. In the background panel, choose one of the sample backgrounds to apply it instantly. You'll see the change in your self-view, and participants will see it as soon as it's applied. If your lighting is uneven or your camera is close to a wall, pick a simpler background for a cleaner result. You can switch backgrounds anytime during the huddle without interrupting the call. If you want to go back to your real environment, look for the option that removes the effect or sets it to none. A few quick tips while you're here. Make sure your camera is enabled so you can preview backgrounds. The video drop-down is the quickest way to toggle it. Background effects run best with good lighting and a clear outline of your head and shoulders. If you don't see huddles or background options, your workspace settings or app version might differ, so updating Slack or checking with your admin can help. That's all there is to it. You opened a channel, started a huddle, used the video drop-down to view backgrounds, and selected a sample to change how you appear on the call. Enjoy your next Slack video call with a fresh, distraction-free backdrop.